Okay. So good morning, everyone. It is the fourth conference, and so I see a lot of familiar faces here, and it's nice to know that we've been building up over the years and hopefully building our knowledge together. So good morning, welcome, colleagues, friends, partners. It's really a privilege to be here with my fellow teachers and educators to this conference, and to be here with you in Kisumu again. I was so nicely introduced by Dr. Moto, and as he mentioned, I had the pleasure of co-convening, co-organizing this conference with our colleagues here at Maseno since the beginning, and it's really exciting and energizing to kind of see the growth that we've made, and this year really marks something special with this certificate program, the Maseno University, Northwestern University Educators Certificate Program. As you heard, we have our alumni from our program here today because they've completed the course. And, they've produced scholarships. So we talk a lot about teachers and educators when we're in the HPE field. So teachers have the skills to teach students. They have all the skills that we hope that we've also imparted in engaging students and sharing knowledge in an active and energizing way. But then there's another step, and the step is educators, and that's who this group is becoming, and they've already shown this by their scholarly outputs. So educators, they produce the research, the evidence to understand how to teach well and what the impacts are of all of our programs. And I'll say that when I walked through the posters and listened to the oral abstracts, I was very, very impressed by the quality of the work that has been done over the last year. It's a very short time, and it really shows you that you can do a lot in a short time if you're committed. It was a lot of work for this program, and I will say that almost everyone attended every session. It was remarkable. So one quick round of applause for the graduates of our program. When you walk around and look at these posters, and we also have some e-posters, maybe we'll even put them up over the break and cycle through them, you'll see work that's thoughtful, that's important, and is actually grounded in educational methodologies, because that's what we're talking about when we're talking about research, is really thinking about sound methods, so you have sound results. And it really reflects this kind of maturing culture of HPE in the field, in this community. And so we know that the field is evolving, and we're part of that evolution. You're part of that evolution. And we know that this HPE is critical. It's obviously focused on preparing learners to take care of patients, but the learning is the kind of learning that needs to be safe, respectful, and effective. And that kind of improvement lens, or thinking about education in that way, that's how we think about how we want to teach, how we want to assess and support our learners. All of that work, ultimately at the end of the day, shows up in excellent patient care, right? That's what we really want to do. And so we want to be really thoughtful about how we can support patients and communities by delivering this effective care and teaching this effective care. So with that, I would say that this, being an educator, is also now becoming a professional identity. That's another new sort of area of the field. So people are saying things like, I'm not just a doctor, just a nurse, just a pharmacist, just a biochemist. I'm a biochemist and an educator. I'm a clinician and an educator. One of my professional identities is being an educator, and that's something I want, that I'm going to hold on to, and that I can be proud of this, and also it can be respected, and I do it well, and I can teach my fellow peers about it. So I'm that idea of becoming a professional identity is very powerful. That will bring us together, bring everyone together as a community to move the field forward here. So I would say that as partners, co-conveners of the conference, we're very honored to share this space with you, and we would like to extend a very warm welcome to our delegates. I want to thank everyone for all of their support, the VC, DVC, Dino Dango, Dr. Emoto, our organizers, Dr. Demba, Dr. Rose, Venture, and all the staff, and as well as our Northwestern team who've been working very hard on that program. So with that, I say welcome, looking forward to learning together, and thank you.